I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl Bree, back at it again with another video. This is my Valentine's Day look, so stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. First, I'm going to apply the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to both of my eyelids. This primer helps my eyeshadow stay on all day. I also have very oily eyelids, so it helps out with that as well.
My mama just busted in here. What, huh? What is it? Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Say hi.
Next, I'm going to take some tape and apply it right next to my eye. I'm using electrical tape because I couldn't find the regular tape in my house for some reason. So I had to make it do what it do, boo. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar. First, I'm going to apply the Cocoa Truffle as my base color. Then I'm going to apply Decadent to the edge of my crease and blend that in using a different brush. Next, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the color, I don't even know what color this is, y'all. It looks like beige though. But I'm going to apply it to my crease so I can make that cut crease look. Now I'm going to apply New Money to my crease. I love this color and I honestly regret just not making my whole lid pink because the color is just so pretty, y'all. The pigmentation is great and it's super sparkly, so that's a plus. Using the brush I used earlier, I'm just gonna blend out my eyeshadow a little bit more, just so I can get rid of these harsh lines. So now I'm just gonna repeat the whole process on my other eye and try to do the exact same thing, symmetrically. Worth the shot, right? Now that I am finished with both eyes, I'm going to apply Decadent to both my bottom lash line and then remove the tape from my eyes. Next, I'm going to apply my Benefit Push-Up Gel Liner to my lash line to get that winged eyeliner look. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my sample of the Fenty foundation in the color 310. Y'all, don't judge me. I'll get the bottle soon enough, okay? Then you're going to use either a brush or a wet beauty blender and blend all that product into your face. Then I went ahead and applied my NYX Correct / Contour palette to my cheekbones, T-zone, and chin. You do not have to do this step, by the way. Using my wet beauty blender, I just blend out the product. Make sure you do one shade first and then the other shade. Don't blend both shades together because it will look messy. After blending in the lighter concealer, apply some translucent powder to those areas and bake for like 10 minutes. Or in this case, while I'm just blending out the darker concealer. Next, using the Fenty Kilowatt highlighter, I'm going to apply this product in all the places where the lighter concealer was, and then underneath my eyebrows. After that, I'm going to use a big old kabuki brush and brush off all the excess translucent powder. Translucent powder. Jeez. Finally, I'm going to apply these lashes just to make my look pop and come all together. Sorry about the bad lighting, y'all. It was getting late and I just really wanted to finish recording this video for you guys. But yeah, it was like around 6. Like, it gets really late so early now. I don't understand. Now I'm going to apply this lip liner that I got from MAC. It's in the color NC42. It's like a nudish kind of color. So I'm just going to apply that around my lips. Yeah. Now I'm going to apply this Tarte matte lipstick in the color Vibin'. It honestly really was a pretty color, but I just didn't think it went well with the eyeshadow I had on, so I went ahead and reapplied a Fenty lipstick after the video in the color of Flamingo Acid. It's like this pinkish, purplish color. It's really pretty. Then I'm going to apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm so in love with this mascara. It's so easy to put on and it just makes my lashes look pop. All right, guys, that is my Valentine's Day look for 2020. I'll leave links below the products I use in this video. Leave a comment below the content you want to see from me next, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.